Hello and welcome to this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm your host Trip, Territory Sales Manager for the Blueprint, and today we'll be doing a quick 2-minute overview on the G450 ecoBump Kit from GfG Instrumentation. The G450 ecoBump Kit from GfG Instrumentation makes it easy and convenient to bump test gas monitors before each day's use. OSHA, NFPA, and state guidelines for safe confined space entry all require atmospheric monitors to be tested regularly by exposure to test gas. The NFPA 350 guide for safe confined space entry requires bump testing test gas monitors that are being used for atmospheric monitoring of confined spaces should be bump tested by the gas tester prior to each day's use. Atmospheric hazards are a leading cause of accidents and injuries during confined space entry and rescue. A bump test briefly exposes a gas monitor to a specified gas or gases to verify sensor and alarm functionality. It should take less than 20 seconds for the alarms to sound once the gas has been applied. The G450 ecoBump Kit makes this requirement easy and convenient. The kit includes a dependable G450 4-gas monitor, direct reading gas monitor for the detection of oxygen, combustible gas, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen sulfide. The G450 is powered by means of interchangeable alkaline or rechargeable battery packs that provide up to 24 hours of continuous operation per charge or per set of disposable batteries. The foam lined waterproof carrying case includes a push button regulator and a compact cylinder that holds enough test gas for up to 250 or more daily bump tests. Simply turn the instrument on, attach the adapter, and press the regulator button for 2 seconds and verify that the alarms are activated. Both alkaline and rechargeable G450 instruments are available as ecoBump kits. The G450 ecoBump Kit includes everything you need for storing, protecting, and easily testing your 4-gas confined space monitor. Want to learn more about the G450 ecoBump Kit from GfG Instrumentation? Give us a call or check out our website, teamblueprint.com, for a complete list of territory sales managers in your area. Thanks for tuning in to this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm your host, Trip, and we hope to catch you on the next one.